제가 음식을 만드는 것보다 먹는 거를 더 좋아해요.
Here we go. That's it. That's all there is to it.
Alright everybody, now here we go. It's a brand new version of the do-si-do. Just stomp your feet and clap your hands. Come on everybody, it's the hamster dance. Bounce in time to the beat. Hey, you don't even have to move your feet. Just shake your thing, let me see you move. Now spin around and feel the groove.
Let's try it. You're catching on. Terrific.
Come on everybody. Clap your hands, come on everybody. It's the hamster dance. Come on everybody. Clap your hands, come on everybody. It's the hamster dance.
Here comes the music.
제 메뉴인데요. 정말로 짜증나고 화가 나는 날 이런 거를 또 먹어주면 되게 기분이 좋아질 수도 있지 않을까. 맛있어서 감사합니다. 저를 사랑해주시고 아껴주시고 응원해주시고 성원해주시고 그래서 감사합니다. 네.